Hey, welcome back to the channel. I want to do something quick and fun. In the video I made about Tepache, I mentioned that it goes really good on a hot day. On top of that, you can even add some alcohol to it. So I'm going to show you a quick, simple cocktail that works beautifully with the Tepache and is pretty simple to make. Alright, so let's take a look at our ingredients. Alright, here we are. Here's our ingredients. Like I mentioned, it was going to be something simple and easy. These are things that I already have in my cupboard. You may too. Some rye, some grapefruit bitters, and the Tepache. Over here, I have some mint, and I have some lime that are going to go in. Now, remember the rule. 3 ingredients is a cocktail, 2 ingredients is a crisis. Alright, so let's throw this together. First off, got some ice, right into, that's loud, right into the shaker. Now, we're not going to be shaking this. This is a stirred drink. Here we go with the grapefruit bitters. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 strong dashes. Our mint. Just right in there. Lime. Just give it a quick little squeeze. Now we get to the rye. Now we're going to go 1.5 ounces of rye. Mainly because I have a cute little cup here that's chilling. And I'm sorry, it's a coupe. And then we're going to go with 1.5 ounces of the Tepache. Then stir it around with the spoon, kind of crush the mint and the lime down to the bottom. There we go, nice and simple. Going to take our glass, chilled glass, strainer, give it a little mint as a garnish, and there we go, our Tepache cocktail. Now, I don't have a name for it yet, so if you want to give me some ideas, go ahead and throw them down in the comments section. Let's try to get this puppy named. Until next time, like and subscribe. I'm going to get a taste of this. I'm going to spill this on myself. Oh, God. It's got some of my favorite flavors. The hibiscus is beautiful. Mint and rye, I mean, those are just kind of some of the greatest flavors there is. I'm going to make a couple more of these. This is delicious. See you next time. I'm going to work on a hangover.